Hello friends, welcome to my channel English Booster. Today we are going to learn the difference between have and have got and how to use them in sentences. So let's start with the video. Have and have got. We can use have and have got for possessions like I've got a car or I have a car. So both are correct, okay? And for relationships like I have got two brothers or I have two brothers, okay? And illnesses like I have got a headache, I have got a headache, or I have got a toothache, like that, okay? Let's see some more examples like I have got twin brothers or our house has got a small garden. So both these are possession. So with the meaning of possession, relationships or illnesses, you can't use continuous form like I'm having twin brothers, wrong. I'm having a car, wrong. For the past we use had but without got, okay? So she had long hair when she was a child, but now she doesn't have long hair. So in the present she doesn't have long hair. How to make questions and negative sentences. I have a car. Question will be, have you got a car? Do you have a car? Or have you a car, which is rarely used. For she has a car, we will make question like this. Has she got a car? Or does she have a car? Or has she a car? Which is also less usual. Next is how to make negative sentences. For I have a car, the negative will be I haven't got a car or I don't have a car. I haven't a car. The third one is less usual, and we will use this structure for I, you, we, they. Now let's see how to make negative for she has a scooter or scooty. Negative will be she hasn't got a scooty or she doesn't have a scooty. She hasn't a scooty, it is less usual, and we will use this structure for he, she and it, okay? So in past questions and negative sentences we use did or did not. Like, did you have a car when you were living in London? I didn't have my phone, so I couldn't call you. So here you can see we have used did here. We didn't write like this, had you have a car or I hadn't have my phone. Other uses of have like have breakfast, have dinner, have a cup of coffee, have something to eat, have a bath, have a shower, have a swim, have a break, rest, party, holiday, have an accident, have an experience, have a dream, have a look at something, have a chat, have a conversation or discussion with somebody, have trouble, have difficulty, have fun, have a good time, or have a baby. Have a baby means give birth to a baby, okay? Example, I'm having a baby soon means I'm giving birth to a baby soon. With all these uses, we don't use got with have. Like we can't say I have got dinner. We can use continuous form am having, like he is having a party at the moment or he is having dinner. So with all these uses of have, we will make question and negative sentences with do, does and did. Like I didn't have breakfast this morning. That's why I'm eating so much food. Did you have trouble finding my home? She doesn't usually have big breakfast. Okay, I hope the difference between have and have got is clear to you now. And here's a question for you. Answer this in the comments. Dash the time to go to the bank yesterday. So what do you think? Had you got, did you have, or had you, or have you got?